Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. After formation of bearish Harami candlestick on weekly chart previously, this week market has shown weakness. On daily time frame, after sell-off from top, market tried to pull back and has broken previous swing low. On hourly chart also, market has already broken the trend line support. So overall market seems to be under selling pressure. On Monday, if market crosses 18,250, then can short with stop loss above 18300. On weekly chart, shooting star formed, which is a sign of weakness. On daily chart, bearish engulfing is formed, which indicates sellers are trying to take control. On hourly chart, trend line is broken downwards. Look for sell on rise opportunities. On daily chart, head and shoulders pattern breakdown, so look for selling opportunities. Can short below 2480 with stop loss of 12 to 15 points. Bearish engulfing on daily chart and next day selling confirmed the same, can short below 602 with stop loss of 4 points. After sharp selling and pullback, now selling again continue, can short below 1250 with stop loss of 7 to 8 points. After sharp selling, market taking pause, and if selling continues, can short below 1800 with stop loss of 10 points. Sharp selling from previous resistance level, can short below 902 with stop loss of 5 to 6 points. Stock has broken recent trend line support, can short below 727 with stop loss of 4 points. Stock was trading in channel and now has broken the same, can short below 521 with stop loss of 3 points. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.